Hey everyone, Sycra here, and today I'm going to be doing a review, or maybe just a first impressions, I guess, of the program Mischief, because I've had so many requests from people to review Mischief. So, first of all, I want to say that I really liked the way the brushes handled in Mischief. Very nice. And the infinite canvas thing, it's quite cool. The interface is pretty simple, and all of that is good. It was an enjoyable experience for the most part. Two things that were lacking though were that I noticed. One is there wasn't a flip canvas horizontal function that I could find anyway, and for me and my workflow, that is important. And then the other thing was there weren't layer modes. So like multiply, screen, color dodge, all that stuff, overlay. And because of that, I don't know how I would do many processes with what I do, such as I use a black layer set to color or saturation to check my values. I wouldn't know how to do that. There's no adjustment layers and levels and things. I'm not sure if there's clipping layers, but it seems like it would be a program that's very good for sketching. And the way I would use it probably would be if I'm doing life drawings, because of the infinite canvas. Other than that, I know there's the whole the vector thing, so you can scale it infinitely, but I don't know when I would use that really, because let's say I zoom in on an image and I make it more detailed. Well, it's only going to look as detailed as the final image when it's zoomed out anyway, right? So what I mean by that is, unless you want an enormous image, it's not going to make a whole lot of difference. I may be missing something. I don't know. Maybe the whole infinite scalability thing is flying over my head, but I just don't see how I would use it, I suppose. So overall, I like the brushes, but I don't think I can recommend this program, and it's simply because of the price tag. For me, it's like over $70 Canadian, and for that price, you could just get Autodesk Sketchbook Pro, which does have layer modes. It has really nice smooth brushes as well. I feel like the brushes in Sketchbook Pro are comparable to Mischief anyway. It doesn't have the infinite scalability, but again, I wouldn't use that too much, and it doesn't have the infinite canvas. Now, when I do life drawings, I like the infinite canvas, but my paint also has an infinite canvas. It doesn't have that. I don't think it has infinite scalability, but it has an infinite canvas and it's free. So if Mischief was like $10 and it had everything that it does for $10, yeah, I'd recommend it. It's like, yeah, that's fine. That's a good program, and it does some things that other programs don't. But for $70 Canadian, I think it's $60 American. But anyway, it doesn't have enough, especially when I compare it to other. When I think of like, well, you can get Krita for free, which has a beautiful brush engine as well. You can get My Paint. And then you could get Sketchbook Pro, save up a bit more, get Manga Studio. I just don't really see the need for Mischief at that price point, especially because it's lacking some, in my opinion, fundamental features like canvas rotation, flipping it. So yeah, that's my review of Mischief.